Solar energy, the power of the sun, harnessed to illuminate our future. India's unprecedented journey from the year 2000 to achieving 80 gigawatts of solar capacity today marks a new era in renewable energy. With a bold target of 500 gigawatts by 2030 and a commitment to net zero by 2070, India is leading the way towards a sustainable future. Large-scale solar PV, grid-connected and wind farms along with solar rooftops are providing clean energy solutions across the nation. From rooftops to farmlands to ground-mounted to floating, solar energy is empowering every corner of India. Mumbai, the financial capital of India, where talent meets opportunity and innovation meets investment. A city that attracts the best, creating an ecosystem for thriving businesses. What better choice one can expect?
I am Amit Shukla, Senior VP and Country Head, Luminous Power Technology. India is experiencing a rapid evolution in solar energy. Mumbai, as a hub for financial services and innovation, is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this green revolution.
To be inaugurated by Shripad Nayak, the Honorable Minister, we here with Solar Plus Expo will provide the ideal platform under one roof to exchange business, trade opportunities, connect with suppliers, meet potential investors, and explore innovation in the energy industry to encourage the vast business potential in India's solar energy sector.
Transcritical CO2 heat pumps are most environment-friendly products, providing instantaneous heating and cooling solution. Come, meet us in International Solar Expo 2024 in Mumbai.
For the first time in India, witness the Innovation Pavilion and Sustainable Heating exhibits, showcasing cutting-edge technologies. Experience the future of solar energy at NESCO with exhibits that will inspire and innovate.
We at VGuard are proud to be part of Solar Plus Expo. Over the past 20 years, our efforts in promoting solar thermal technologies for decarbonizing heating, along with the support of our valued customers, have prevented more than 6 lakh tons of carbon dioxide emissions. Best wishes for a successful expo, and let's continue our shared mission for a sustainable tomorrow.
Let's come together to exchange ideas, create business opportunities, and generate employment for a brighter tomorrow.
We have a Solar Plus Expo happening in Mumbai, which is a trade hub of India, and let all of us join there and try to prevent this carbon footprints for a better future.
India is also among the global leaders in solar and wind power. We have now set a higher target. We plan to achieve 50% non-fossil installed capacity by 2030.
The sun is the soul of all that moves and is immovable. Join us in our crusade against the climate crisis and contribute to our Honorable Prime Minister's Panchamrit for a sustainable future.
We at Novasis strongly believe that decarbonizing energy is crucial to address climate change, and solar energy is one of the ideal renewable energy technologies for meeting electricity needs. We are glad that Solar Plus Expo is taking place in Mumbai, which is the financial hub of India, so it will be a game changer for the industry.
Be part of the change, be part of the future.
Solar energy market is today bullish, terminology that Mumbai best understand. Don't miss the bus for this profit-making opportunity at Solar Plus Expo Mumbai.
Let us all be part of the journey to go net zero.